Welcome to a how-to video on adding TOUGHBOOK drivers to Microsoft Deployment Toolkit. The first step, we're going to download the enterprise cab files from the Panasonic support website. Choose your product line, your model, and enterprise cab files. Scroll down and find the operating system you want to install the drivers on. Once the cabs are downloaded, use a program like 7-zip to extract the drivers. Once the files are done extracting, we're going to create a folder in the out-of-box drivers in Microsoft Deployment Toolkit. Next, we're going to import the drivers in the folder you created. Browse the location of the files you downloaded. Select the folder that you extracted. Click Next to import. This will take several minutes. Now that the drivers are added, we're going to create a selection profile to choose those drivers in the task sequence. You choose the folder that you just imported the drivers into. Now in the task sequence, we're going to set up the drivers by using the selection profile we just created. Choose your selection profile here. Be sure to check Install all drivers from the selection profile. To ensure that these drivers only install for this model, we are going to create a WMI query. That is how you add TOUGHBOOK drivers to a Microsoft Deployment Toolkit. If you have any further questions, you can contact Panasonic support at 1-800-LAPTOP5. Thank you for watching this video.